You are going to love the 2013 JUKE. The JUKE is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come take a test drive today.